So, the mystery around Insta360's anti-gravity is finally starting to lift. When they first dropped that name last month, the internet went wild guessing what it could be. Well, now we know exactly when we'll find out, August 14th, 9 a.m. Eastern. That's when Insta360 will unveil their very first drone, launching under a brand new independent label called Antigravity, aimed squarely at 360-degree aerial storytelling. And here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just a new product, it's a new battleground. DJI just stepped into Insta360's lane with the Osmo 360 camera, and now Insta360 is flipping the script, walking right into DJI's home turf, drones. The rivalry is heating up, and honestly, it's pretty fun to watch. From what we know so far, Antigravity isn't just a regular drone with a 360 camera slapped on top. It's been built from the ground up for immersive 8K, full-sphere capture, and it's ultra-light, under 2049 grams. That means you won't have to stress as much about weight regulations in a lot of places. Plus, the controls are supposed to be intuitive enough that even complete beginners can get smooth shots without wrestling with complicated flight settings. But there's more to the story than just specs. Insta360 is launching this at a time when DJI is facing some headwinds in the US, including potential restrictions and shipping delays. That could open up space in the market for something fresh, and anti-gravity might just be stepping in at the perfect moment. Insta360 is keeping the full feature list under wraps for now, but they've hinted at a few things. Easy setup, no need to stress about framing mid-flight thanks to the 360 view, built-in safety features, and even a community-driven anti-gravity hub, where pilots can pitch ideas for future updates. If your idea makes it in, there might be rewards waiting for you. We're just days away from seeing how it all comes together, and if Insta360 delivers, this could be the start of a whole new category, one where creators don't have to choose between smooth flying and full immersion. Big thanks to Igor Bogdanov for sharing some of the early product images and videos we've been able to show here. And if you want to catch every leak, update, and official reveal as soon as they drop, you know what to do. Stay tuned.